Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I am just Christopher y bienvenidos. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please make sure to hit the subscribe button right along with the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I have a new video. If you are watching this on IGTV, please make sure to share this if you've enjoyed the content. Now, on to today's doll. Don't ask me where that finger whip came from. I have no idea. So, as you already know from the photo, it is the original's Veronique Pien. I messed that up on purpose because I know how to pronounce it, but I don't know why I did that. Anywho. So, how can I say this? There's just not a lot of excitement today. I joined the lottery mostly for the clothes, and I really joined the lottery hoping to win both for the clothes because I've had this whole like mix and match thing in my mind. But I ended up winning one. Neither one of the dolls per se caught my attention as they are, so another video, another adoption. She'll be up for adoption, sale, whichever one you want to call it. Beats me at this point. So what I will be doing in this video is I will be showcasing the look on someone else. Yeah, that's all we're gonna do. They ain't much thinking about it, so. Just felt like I had to share that, get that off my chest, not getting anyone too excited. Ooh, this box is making a lot of crickety noises. I'm liking it. If you've been to this channel before, yes, the background is different. I've changed my room around. I now have a surface. I don't know how much I'm going to use the surface for. Okay. So this is a Jason Wu box. So it is the white with the black around it. Very luxury, very retail, you say. Yeah. Now, this box feels like a shoebox, so it work out sometimes. Ooh. These boxes are not the best for like unboxing reactions because of that much struggle, but here goes nothing. Are you ready? I have no expectations. Why your head look so big? That was a long pause. I just caught myself in it. But I was so distracted by how heavy this eyeshadow is, how red these lips are, how big. It's very drag queen trying to be natural, and it's a little weird for me. Here she is. Do you see that? Ooh. Anywho. If you've never been to my channel before, I like to unbox them off camera so you don't have to struggle with me. The struggle's real. I will display her in all her accessories, how she looks, so you can get a visual of that. And then I'm going to undress her and put this look on someone else. How I envision it. I'll be right back. Would love to start at the shoes, but for obvious reasons, we can't see them. They're super simple. Love the little detail of the rose gold it has on it. Maybe we'll get to see them at another time. But here she is, fully dressed and accessorized. I don't know why I thought this was different, but I went and looked at the image and this is what it is. She's underwhelming. That's the word I'm gonna go for. She really, I wish there was a bracelet or a ring or a bag. It almost just feels like a throwaway doll. Very little words. Also, I guess I should do it. Can I do it? Let's see. Oh, that was a little blurry. Go back up. Yeah, so these lips just, I don't know. I love a good full lip, but I don't know if it's working here. I feel like the eye makeup is also extremely heavy. It's just not for me. It really isn't. But I'll just leave it at that. Yeah. It's just not for me. All right, there's a little peekaboo of the shoes. I would lift the dress up, but the lighting isn't that great. I think it's one of the cuter little like simple slim backs that I've seen so far. I must say that they were one of my favorite things of this set. And I really just wanted to put the skirt over the waist. So that's what I did. I at some point would hope to have some alterations done. I think the top is a little thick for me, but for now it will stay like this. Yeah, it's just, there's little to say because there really, in a way, very little here. I will give a shout out to the lace of this dress. It's immaculately well done, especially for a doll, but overall the look is just a little flat and it's missing something. And yeah, this is kind of how I'm gonna keep her for now. Okay, everyone, that's a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for tuning into another video with me, just Christopher, right here on my channel. I would love to be like, oh my god, there's so much coming, because I know I have pre-orders, but I have no idea what's happening with Integrity in 2021. So let us all just have a universal meditation / prayer for one another in this doll community, because from what was it? Let's just pray. I'm just gonna leave it on that one, okay? But until next time, bye guys.